So we're going to be going over the pull data node. And you can find it here, right? Pull data, you can pull it out, right? And what it will do is it will take your information from Google Sheets or Google Docs and be able to put it into our system where it can be read by AI. It can be put somewhere else. It can do a lot of things. So I'm going to go here, and I did a survey recently showing people our product, and I'm going to pull all of the data, and it's a lot. You can see here. You can sort by specific areas in a sheet, but I've just been pulling all of it because I want to see everything. And you can tell it's a lot of free response data. And so it's tough to know exactly what to do with this all on your own. I can see it a little bit better in the Google Sheet, but what I can do is I have this conveniently placed AI text generator here that I can be able to plug this into the content and context, and I can be able to run this, and it's going to summarize the data and give me insights that it sees. So it took a second to run, probably like 15 seconds because there's so much context, but it's able to give me an output and insights based on what it sees, and a list of different topics and summaries of everything that the users shared on that survey. And so this is a great way to be able to summarize Google Sheets, Google Docs. It's a great way to be able to pull data out of and then be able to analyze it with the AI, or be able to just pull it out and put it in a different format and have the AI sort through it, not even analyze it, but just take it and put it in a different way. And you can pair it with a lot of different things, and it's used in many of the templates to be able to get data to be analyzed by the AI systems. So super powerful tool and has a lot of different use cases for it.